Makes sense. Although it would be very difficult to get in there like that. True. Yeah! Cheers, brother! Brother, brother! Lock, stock, the lock. Don't do it, dude. I thought you were gonna try to hit me. Hey! Hey! Where the fuck you go at? Where you at? I can't even see you. Shit. Where the fuck are you at? Alright, where did you go? Hey! I said hey! Stop that bullshit!
There's your.
Hey! You gonna kill me? That poor guy's done. Lock, stock, the lot, brother! Stop pushing me! From my pocket, fool! Hey, you need some help, homie? I got you. It's a good thing they got you first. I didn't need to waste that. I didn't need to waste that rocket launcher shell. We got two dudes spawned on us. We have two dudes that are right next to us. They're gonna try to come get us. Oh, let's go. Actually, not even coming towards us, but they're over there. You see them on the radar? Yeah, I'm in the car. That's armored. That's nice. That's really nice. Oh no! What are you doing? I feel like you set me up. Yeah, you parked right in front of him and he just shot me up. Oh, I saw that. In my kill cam, I saw all of that. This is GTA. Come on now. Huh? I don't think I have. How is your place not as nice as mine if you live in the same building? They did not have that when I bought this place. It's not letting me write up. Word. Cool, cool. I'm still in your garage. I tried. I was standing right by the elevator waiting to be buzzed in. There's got to be an option on your interaction menu to force everyone into the house or the garage or outside, but I've already walked outside, so I'll just buzz in from there. No worries. I can easily buzz in from where I'm at now. Probably not. How the hell you do that? Gotcha. This is nice. This is real nice. You have it downstairs over here? This is so much different than my shit, man. It's wild. A little heist room over here. I didn't even know that was an option to have different tiers of housing in this place. Alright, brava. Oh shit. Alright, bro. Holler, man. You fool. Alright, man.
This motherfucker clean.
We gonna bust some fiends up like old time?